everyone, Josie here, Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have a Daiso haul for you all. I know that Daiso is not everywhere in the US, but I just want to share you the items that I got there. And to those of you who are living in an area where there's Daiso, this is something that you probably would want to see. So if you are not interested in watching this, I will understand if you want to skip through this video. But before you do that, I want to mention that this is also a giveaway video. Throughout the video itself, you're gonna be finding some clues so that you can win a prize. Okay, and I also want to apologize. My voice is kind of husky, raspier than usual. I'm normally a raspy voice person, but because I have this kind of flu that I'm fighting, I just want to let you know that's the reason why I sound this way. So I apologize, first and foremost on that. Before I do my haul, I want to show you an unboxing first. And this is going to be by Rolife. It's a miniature house. Rolife is sponsoring a giveaway. So this is the product. And they will be sending the winner their own box of Teddy DIY house. Can't wait to unbox this in front of you guys. Okay, Rolife miniature house Enchanted Cafe. There are other styles there, and I'm going to be inserting the photos here. You know, you can appreciate the level of work and detail by the company. This is actually a manual for all the items that they sent. And then there are step-by-step instructions. These are the photo illustration of how you can build this. So let's say, for example, you want a microwave. They will not send you a microwave that is fully built. You will have the pleasure of building it. My daughter and even I rather have something a little bit more minimalistic. I don't want to overcrowd things. So there are things that we'll probably not use or put in here, and there are things that we would. So this is going to be the finished product. Like you see, there's a lot of things going on here because this is a cafe. Going to be able to personalize it to our own style. So let me just show you. This is again a teddy bear collection. And wow, this is the first time I have seen the teddy bear collection, because when we did ours, there was no teddy bear or humans or whatever. So these are the characters that they have. Let me just unbox this. It's amazing. There's this guy who's wearing the motorbike helmet here and with a motorbike suit, and look at his sneakers. Love it. And then she's the baker, and it's so pretty. And then let me show you the other things. As a crafter, I already have a lot of acrylic paints, so I even actually used some of my acrylic paints on the previous project because what they gave us was only white, but this time it comes with the blue, and I think this is dark brown, chocolate brown. And then there's this mint green, and then white, of course. And look, there's even a small jar here with a cork stopper and some cottons. And look at this. This is a small, I think maybe like a fish bowl. Oh, there's one more here, and I think this is a part for a lamp, maybe a hanging lamp, a ceiling lamp. See here. So cute. So they give you all the tools too, so you can never have an excuse that, okay, well, wait, I think I need a tweezer. Here you go, you have a tweezer. Oh, I think I need a paintbrush. Let me look for my paintbrush. And no, they give it to you, even though they probably assume you already have one. They have it all packed here. Now they even have the battery for you to make the light. And so they also gave you all the wiring for building the light. So again, if you're starting off, you're not going to be worried about, oh, I don't have this tool. How am I going to accomplish this? They're going to give you the tool. And they are labeled, just so you know. They are all labeled. So you want to make sure that you don't lose also the small pieces, especially. You have to be careful also when you're doing this project. These are not for little kids, okay? Because there are some small parts that they may swallow, first of all. And then, of course, silica gel, they may swallow that too. So just be careful if you're around small children when you're doing this. And then here are the parts of furniture, and I like already the paint color. I'm getting into this gray vibe, guys, and you will know once I do my Daiso haul later that I am really into this gray vibe right now, that I'm really getting into it. And I like the combination of this kind of yellowish or natural color and then some white. I mean, I think gray is really a modern color. You see it also even in farmhouses. And then this one would be the structure, the building structure. And look, they're already been pre-scored, so you don't have to worry about cutting them yourselves. So even though you are going to build them yourselves, they already prep them up to the measurement. And then all you need to do is kind of loosen them up, push them out there, and then you can build them. Here's another big frames again for building the structure. And then you will have the opportunity to paint also the embellishments here, or the design, or however you want to paint it. Okay, they also have this thinner foam board that you can use, for example, in, you know, making your windows, the frames. You can use this. Okay, and then the other ones is that you have an option here. You want to use this for the floor, and these are the brick for probably the wall. So this is the flooring, this is the wall, and then here are the ones that I showed you that are in the booklet. These are the ones that you're gonna cut out. They're actually scored already, but you still need a pair of scissors if you want it clean. And these are for the plants, embellishments. Yeah, so I just want to show you what else do they have here. Okay, and then see here, there are some more diagrams that you can follow and things that you can build. Okay, so this is packed with a lot of stuff. Based on experience, the product is really a good value. They're made of good quality materials. Again, they're well packed, they're well presented. You have everything that you need to build the model that you are trying to kind of copy or mimic. So that is my Rolife unboxing. Please check in the description box below the link to the product, as well as my discount code of 20% off, as well as information on the giveaway. Now let's go to my Daiso haul. Okay, so I am so excited about Daiso finding all this gray stuff, because like I said, I've been getting into grays lately, so I just want to show you the exciting finds. Okay, first I have this. I got this in light pink before pale pink, and I love it, and I'm using it in my drawer organization for a bathroom. So this is amazing. This is kind of like their French kind of line, the patisserie. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, sorry if I am saying it wrong, but this is Maison Clement. Then this one here, you can either use it for a pencil holder or for your makeup brushes. You know, sometimes we have the eyeliners, you know, the thinner pencils. You can put that here also. You can use this, and it's the same style. And look at this, wow. You can put here your makeup palettes, your eyebrow palettes here, your blush-ons, your whatever makeup you have that can lay flat or lean flat in here. You can definitely use this. This is again in the same style. See this Eiffel Tower? You will see them here too. This one doesn't have, these are just words. Okay, but this one has the Eiffel Tower as well. Love it. Oh, this one, you can put this on top of your vanity or inside your drawer, especially the shallow drawers. This will fit in. And just want to let you know, this comes, I mentioned about the light pink, and it also comes in the creamy white color. And then I bought 3 of this, and these are amazing. And oh, by the way, if I don't mention the price, so far the ones I showed you, they're all $1.50 each. So whether it's a small tray or this bigger container, they are still $1.50. So this one also in the same style. I love it. You know what? Let me try to measure it so that you know how big it is, because there are comparable things at Dollar Tree, although they're baskets. This one you don't have to paint, you don't have to do anything with it. It's just pretty the way it is. So the width on this one is more like 6 or almost 7 inches wide, and the depth is 6 inches. So 7 by 6, and then the height is, let's see the height, almost 5. So this one, these are all words. It doesn't have the Eiffel Tower like the taller, chubbier one. So I got 3 of this. So this one is 11.5 inches long, and then 8.5 inches deep, and the height is 3.5 inches. So those are just the gray Parisian lines that I have. Okay, so I got this. I figured, oh my, this is huge. The wired baskets that they sell at Dollar Tree, they're small. I wish they sell something like this. Maybe, who knows, someday they would. But this one, it's $3, and it's understandably so because it's huge, it's deep. This is 12-inch ruler. So I think this one is kind of like 15 inches wide. I'm sorry, I cannot read clearly right now because I don't have my glasses on. And then this is 10.5 inches deep. And then the height is 7 inches high. Okay, I also bought this 13.5 by 17.7 inches. It is a fabric that has adhesive. It came with also red, which I didn't get. I got only the blue and then the pink stripes. I've been doing traveler's notebooks, so when I do my inserts or even the cover, I am going to use this because it already has adhesive. This one is $1.50 also. If you think about it, this notebook is 50 cents each, when sometimes you go to Dollar Tree, you buy each notebook this thin for $1. And oh, I love this. These are the pearl flat stickers with some rhinestones. They call this jewel borders. They come in, I think, blue and pink, but I like the neutral white. I can use this when I'm doing glam stuff. And there are a lot of products here you can stick on. There's self or auto adhesives. And look at the sampling. They embellish a frame or a jewelry box or trinket box, and yeah, for $1.50, why not? I know Dollar Tree sells something similar, but I thought this one, I haven't seen this kind of style yet. Okay, oh, embroidery hoop. The diameter on this one is 5.9 inch, so almost 6 inches. This is also $1.50. Here is a beauty blender. This is the Harume Daiso Select Silky Soft Makeup Brush. We call it makeup brush, but it's a makeup sponge really. Okay, this is for my daughter. She bought this supplement container. There are 3 compartments, 2 small ones and 1 big one, so she takes vitamins. Yeah, for more crafting. A pair of scissors. I love Daiso scissors, so this one is gonna be in my ever-growing scissors collection. And then this one, I'm delving back into crocheting. I learned crocheting when I was little from my mother, and I want to go back into it, so I bought this one. They have different sizes. I took the one that's 3.5 millimeter, and this is $1.50 as well. And I bought this. These are like, you know, the garters. This is the elastics. It's 8 meters long. It's 7 millimeter wide. And when I'm doing traveler's notebook, I want to create a cover actually that has this band, the wider band, rather than the thinner band. I figured probably it will be a little bit more durable. The elastic will last longer. Oh, I love this. I love buying the double-sided tape from Daiso, and this is also $1.50. This is the pin cushion. I already used it to include on my latest Dollar Tree DIY organizer, and I put this there because I was trying to create a sewing station organizer. And this is $1.50. I do have twines from in my collection, but this 80 meter, I don't have the white. I always have them in brown. And this one is $2. This is actually really tough. It's not flimsy. So $2, I think I got a good deal. It's stackable. So that's it, everyone, for my haul today. And that's it for my unboxing as well. And I want to thank Robotime for sponsoring this video. I would like to invite you all to join the giveaway. So read the details in the description box below. Okay, take care, everyone. And I hope to talk to you again on my next video.